name is Martha Chase. I'm one of the early woman geneticists. Let me tell you about my experiment. First, let me introduce you to my partner, Mr. Hershey.
Hi, I'm Alfred Hershey. I helped Martha create one of the most important genetic experiments that led us to understanding DNA today. Yes, you may think that I make chocolate, but no, my name just happens to be Hershey.
Chocolate.
Martha, you kill me.
First, let me start by telling you what bacteriophages are. Bacteriophages are protein-coated DNA viruses that infect bacteria. So essentially, they're viruses for bacteria. We are working with bacteriophages, laid out the groundwork for later molecular biology. Molecular biology!
That's what we're studying.
That's what we're studying! So, studying bacteriophages allowed researchers to further observe genes in action.
And today, that is what our basis is. Today, this is what we use. And another way to understand how important this is by talking to Dr. Francis Crick, the co-discoverer of the double helix. Here is a quote from him, the real Dr. Francis Crick today.
His name's not Jeff Betzler, it's Francis Crick.
Without Dr. Chase's help in confirming that DNA transmits genetic information, we could not study genetic diseases or any other effects of mutations or even anything about the simplest traits such as eye color.
Wow. We can really understand a lot from him. Me being Alfred Hershey, I know I had a good time making this experiment. How about you, Mom?
Good, let me take you through the steps of the experiment.
Oh my.
Crikey! We're American. Okay. In order to track the DNA and proteins to decide whether the DNA or proteins transfer genetic information, we both coated the phages, proteins, and DNA with unique isotopes, allowing them to be observed separately. They're unique. Then, we allowed the bacteriophages to infect the bacteria, seeing whether the protein or DNA infects which to do. So then, immediately after the infection was observed, the bacteria was put into a blender, sifting the phages from bacteria without destroying the bacteria. So, we observed that DNA phages were there, not the bacteria.
DNA
Using
phages.
that, we can decide that it was DNA that's a genetic transfer, not bacteria.
DNA is the genetic transfer, not bacteria. That's something you need to understand.
Give me a hug. Give me a hug.
Right,
Hello. I'm a woman. And American.
Thank you.
Thank you.
For watching us
Chocolate?
to understand our experience.
Hello.
Something that's helping us today.